Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mohini. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm here to talk about one of my all-time favorite brands. It's like the best one of the best one. So Jen Atkins is the founder of the brand, and her brand is pronounced Ouai. This is the name. Ouai, and she was Kim Kardashian's, the Kardashian family's hairdresser, and she was a hairdresser for a very long time, and she went off to create her own brand, which is very, very healthy, a very clean brand, and everyone should know about it. It's like the best quality products. It's non-GMO, the cleanest ingredients, and just leaves your hair. There's no chemicals, and you can tell by using her products that they're very exemplary and they are elite. I'd say the best of the best. They're a little bit pricier, but I think it's worth it. So these are two of my favorite products, which is a leave-in conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner I put on because I do have colored hair, and the hair can be really brass when I have colored it, and there's a lot of harsh products that went into it. So to make sure it is healthy and soft, I put in the Ouai leave-in conditioner. This is what it looks like. And they did a collaboration with Byredo, which is another brand, and their scents are really, really popular and trendy. And this is my favorite scent. It's called the Mojave Ghost. This one, it smells so good. It's like, I can't even explain the scent to you. Oh my god, it just smells so good. They have the normal version, which I have, but this is the special edition version as well, and I love it. It leaves your hair smelling like you put perfume on. So I would say this is like a leave-in conditioner. It's also a heat protector. So it's a limited, I'm gonna read the bottle right over here. It's a limited edition collab between Byredo and Ouai. The product Ouai's Do-It-All Detangler that hydrates, provides heat protection, and fights frizz. So this does a lot of things. This gives you hydration, this gives you heat protection, and also fights frizz. So you see, like, my hair is looking a little bit frizzy right now. I didn't put this product in. If I put this product in, it will be very nice, no frizz, and also be a heat protectant. So I highly recommend you get this one. It's probably gonna sell out. It's the 4.7 ounce. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, you can leave comments at the bottom of this review. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated on all the different new products, tools, treatments. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.